In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Notion page to PDF. Open Notion and make sure you're already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, go straight to the page or project you want to export. After you open that page, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the Page Options menu, where you'll find the Export settings. From that drop-down, select Export. A new export window will appear with several options. First, click the Export Format drop-down and choose PDF. This tells Notion you want to save the page as a PDF file instead of another format. Next, set Include Databases to Current View. This is helpful if your page contains a database and you want the PDF to reflect exactly what you're seeing on screen, rather than exporting everything in a different layout. Then check the Include Content setting and make sure it's set to Everything. That way, all the content on the page is included in the final PDF. After that, look for the Page Format drop-down and choose the paper size you prefer, such as A4 or letter. The best option usually depends on where you'll use the file. A4 is common in many regions, while letter is often used in the United States. You can also adjust the scale percentage if needed. If your page looks too small in the preview, or you want the text easier to read, increase the scale. If you want more content to fit on each page, reduce it slightly. If your Notion page includes database views that you want in the PDF, make sure the Include Databases switch is turned on. This step matters because database content can sometimes be left out if that setting isn't enabled. Once everything looks right, click the blue Export button. Notion will begin preparing the PDF. When the File Explorer window appears on your computer, choose where you want to save the file, then click Save. After the download finishes, you may see a browser notification confirming that the file has been downloaded. You should also be able to find the exported file in the save location you selected on your current device and account. And that's it. Your Notion page has now been successfully exported as a PDF. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if the PDF layout doesn't look the way you expected, go back and try a different paper size or scale setting. Those two options usually make the biggest difference in how clean and readable the final document looks. It's also a good idea to review the page before exporting, especially if it contains long sections, tables, or embedded database views, so the final PDF comes out the way you want. Congratulations, you're all set.